Hi y'all, it's me. I was contacted by easycraftart.com and asked if I would like to select some items from their shop to share with you, and of course I said sure. And so they gave me the code Scrappinology, and if you use that code you'll get 12% off your order. So that's a good deal. They have a lot of things like dies, stamps, wax seal products, journaling products, just a ton of things, so you need to go check them out. I'm going to share with you the things that I chose and let you know what I think about them. And the first item that I picked up was this called the Fantasy Gift Set, and in it are wax seal products. So you get the wax for the melting here, and I've used some so it's a bit empty. You get the little melting spoon, you get 2 candles, and then you also get a stamp handle with a wax seal on it already. So you already get one to start with, and that's how that looks when it's done. Isn't that pretty? So that was the first item I chose from them. I'm going to just scoot this off to the side here. The next items I chose were stamp heads because I wanted to see how the different ones that they had, and I will show them to you made. I just want to show you the seals first so you can see the product, and then we'll go back. Oh gosh, I should have took these out. This one's a big one. This one's bigger than normal. This one here, it's a rose, and it has some a doily and then some lace in the background there. Isn't that pretty? So that's one that I chose. The next one I chose was a snowman trio, and those should come up. This one should come out fairly easy right here. Let's see if we get this in the right direction, and right there, that's the snowmen. Aren't they cute? And then the last one I chose, and they have others of Sanrio, which a lot of you love all the Sanrio product, is the one I chose has my favorite characters of Sanrio, which are the twin stars. And let's see if we can get that. Look at, I think that's my Melody. I'm not sure about that one, but there's the twin stars. Aren't they cute? Oh my goodness. So, okay, I will show those to you in just a few minutes. I'm going to show you the rest of the things that I chose. I also chose these acrylic markers, and they're called acrylic painters. They come in 12 and a larger set if you want more than 12. But it has a pretty good variety of colors. And this is acrylic paint markers. So it's not like the markers used to color images and things. This is different. So, and I got those for a reason, and I'll explain once you see what I created. The next and last item that I chose from them, it's called an electric furnace. Now they have this in the color that I got, and then they also have it in shapes of characters, so you might want to check those out. But this is the one I chose, and it's pink, and what it is, this is an electric warmer, so you don't have to use candles. So basically you just plug this in, and it's got a plug, really easy to use. It has a on and off switch, so it's easy to turn off and on. And what's really nice about this is that, you know, you don't have to worry about fire. I don't mind using a candle, you know, the candle method, but to me this is much safer, and so I think this is a super cool product. So I would definitely check that out. Now let me show you the items that I made, and I'm going to start off with the Sanrio because this one is just wax. I didn't do anything to this one, but can you see there? Isn't that cute? And on their website they have it colored in, and it looks really cute, so check that one out. And then the next one was the snowman, and that's this one that I showed you. Now mind you, this is where these come into play right here, because look, you can color your images with these markers on the wax. And I think that is such a cool thing to be able to do, to be able to color the images. I know we've used a gold pen and all that, but these are colors, which makes it better. And then the last one is the rose right there. And this is also one that I colored in, and look how cute that is. So I used the white around the edge for the doily. I colored in the leaves and the rose. And isn't that so pretty? It just gives it an extra something something instead of just the plain wax seal. So those are the items I chose. I do hope you'll check Easy Craft Art out and perhaps purchase a few items using my discount code Scrappinology, and really consider this. This is kind of a neat thing to have and not have to worry, and you could just turn it off and on. You don't have to worry about matches and all the other stuff. So anyhow, thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Easy Craft Art, for introducing me to your company, and until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.